Good morning, people, and we're back for another lovely adventure. Yes, it's been so long, but the sea is cold and I hope I can survive this. It's too cold and I'll be just like, I have to go in. Yeah, but I'm excited. Yes, we're back. I'm back. The guys, they never left it. They go diving every day.
Sorry, say thank God, joy. You see these? What you say is small? No, these are much more fresher than saltfish.
Oh, and better know that.
These are much more fresher than saltfish and bigger than sardine. No, sometimes they say me pick the little fish them were small, but yeah, we have some people who want some of them to eat. See,
yeah, man.
Give thanks.
See them say go.
Yeah, man. I light up some, some fish tea, you know.
Fresh from the farm.
Man, some of us, come get them. Can drop in the pot.
What a beautiful day to go spearfishing. Me, Cocal and Quasey, not missing this opportunity to go out hunting. We're walking through the banana farm and the bushes until we reach down by the sea. People, I'm excited. So we're here going on another dive. Beautiful day. Let's see what we can catch today. It's been a while for me. Yeah. We are ready, yes, and the water is winter, it is, and the water temperature is cold. Why? Wish me good luck. And it is my favorite spot. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Yeah. Let's see what we can catch. I'm wearing 3 layers. I'm basically wearing all my wetsuits. Yeah, I'm gonna float. All right, people, let's see what's out there for us. Yes, ready. Let's go. And off we go to see what we can catch. Quasey is scouting out those little caves because that is where you mostly can find the lobsters. And we also about to find some lobsters right here in this little cave. 1, 2, and the 3rd came off. Look at this lobster, beautiful. Nice catch. I love it already.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you.
Sharks usually have to be in motion, but this one is an exception. The nurse shark can stay motionless at the bottom of the ocean, and that is where you most likely will encounter one. So basically, you could call him couch potato. They will chill all day under the rock and get more active in the evening. They can get up to 14 feet and they are known to be docile, but it's still a shark. Keep that in mind. Woo! Beautiful. I love it. We continue our search and hunt, and there I am seeing a lobster, right? I got him, shot him, and I'm very happy, and I wrestle a little bit there with him, and then I kind of run out of breath. Yes, I had to let it go and everything, the spear, because I don't want to lose it. So I go back up for some air. Here I'm lining up for another fish. That is one Kangatoni. Yes, I mean, you know, yes, mermaid training. What we got here, another beautiful lobster. Oh people, we're gonna get a nice lunch today. This is so cool. I love it. I just love being down there in the ocean, diving and just marveling of the beauty. And guys, this dive is about to get very interesting. Here, and look at this. Before, can you see it? After, yeah man, They don't miss. That is this big barra which you just saw a while ago. Yes, people. Beautiful. I am so excited. I have never seen such a big barra caught live and be a part of it. Yes, man. Wow. Yeah, that needs a proper posing and picture as well. All right, successful day. I am so happy. Beautiful. All right, we're lining up the barracuda, and then we have cockle here. Another nice catch. Oh my God, what a cool dive. This is so cool. All right, so we went back out to the deeper end, and yes, one more barracuda.
People, that was a chase. This barra run off with Quasey gun. Oh, we got him. We got him. Well done, well done. 2 barra, yeah. That is cold in here, so at least it's worth it. Yo, what a chase. I'm too slow, couldn't even follow so fast and show you guys the chase. I just see barra, woo, gun, woo.
All right, and there is a barra number 2. Beautiful. And while I take a selfie here with a nice catch, we lining up this barracuda, and there's actually a boat right there which we actually can hop on and go back. But look at this. Right before we jump in on the boat, Quasey got barracuda number 3. Yes, people, this is just fantastic. This is so cool. This is so cool. What a nice day. I'm so glad I could come out with the guys today for spearfishing adventure. And here's the boat, and we can get a ride back.
Now we see, you see all of them.
Oh, people, look at this. It's so big, I can't even lift it up.
Oh my God, this is heavy. People, this is so heavy. Yellowfin.
Yeah, yellowfin.
See guys, what did I catch? Whoa, this is huge.
Yeah.
How you catch it with the
line.
line?
Yeah. One time, this one more. So that one.
Oh wow!
Yeah. Also, Dago. You know Dago?
No.
Yes.
Wow, I have never seen such big fish. Yellowfin, and the other one was a kingfish. Whoa, whoa. We get lunch today. Whoa! It's huge!
Yeah.
This was so cool. Oh my god, people. This is so good. My battery is almost dead, so I hope I still can get the roasting of the fish because we are very hungry and we have to roast some fish. Yeah. Yes, people.
Yeah.
Woo! Well
Triangle.
done. It's a good day. Yes, it was a good day. All right, people. I got my car because I was way far up out Kensington way. So I get to change, ready up, gonna roast some of the fish. We are so hungry. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing this, it's because we were out there in this water all day and yes, it's cold. I need to warm up from all that cold water.
Watch the mermaid style.
Yes. Are you ready? Ah, this is beautiful. Yes, people, so we are here and roasting the fish quick because we want to go home and we're hungry. So yes, the water is cold. But it was such a fun and cool dive. It was really cool. We got 3 barra, 2 chop, and 2 lobster, and what else? Yeah. So that was really cool. I love it. Yes, my first dive since the year start. Yeah, I wasn't that well equipped. Definitely need. I survived. I thought I'm probably gonna be halfway, but like I need to go in, but yeah, I did it. I kept up with the guys. I'm not even sure if I have that part on the video where the barra swim off with Quasey's spear, but he was like, you know, he's not gonna go far because that was a younger one, the smaller barra. Yeah, but I was like, shit, come back. It was cool. This light is going down, so I try to stay in the light. Yes, because right where we have the fire, there under the almond tree, is dark already. Walk a line. Alright, people, you see, like this, you just throw it on the fire and then you take off the burnt skin and then you have the yum, the goodness to eat. This barra is so big. How much pound?
Well, I say about 20.
About 20 pound.
Yeah.
It's even hard to get this barra into frame. Ugh. Well done. Alright guys, so it's Sniper and Terminator, so you guys know.
And mermaid.
The mermaid.
Yeah.
You ride a bicycle? Big rider? For Team Jamaica? Yeah?
Coming up soon.
Soon? Nice!
Very sharp teeth.
Oh my. Head tough. Go. Eh? Rider. How far are you gonna go?
How far am I go?
Mm-hmm.
Never did gonna come bicycle. Some did doing bicycle.
Oh.
But next time, when I go back and ride again, and she will have you teach them I know for the next time. Oh, right away.
Everybody come, let's have a good time and eat some fish on the seaside.
In a hat.
Yeah, but
Sunday dinner. Yeah. Fire. But I don't know. A man the name used to. Not in my talk. Cause I know Easter yet.
Thank you. People, I'm here trying to catch some of this evening light. Oh my. Alright. Oh my god. See, you would think, oh, we're burning up the food, but no. It's a way of cooking and it's delicious. Once you scrape off the burnt part, and then you have this delicious. Oh my god, so good. Oh, I am so hungry. I have no words.
You don't know anything, though. Yeah. I run at 16 years,
Hey people, guess who started his new channel? Quasey! Yes, so a lot of amazing spearfishing adventure over there. Head over to his channel. I leave it in the link below, so you can go over there, subscribe, like and share.
Please.
Yes! Oh, gentle people, come in my camera quickly. Come in my video. Yes, hey guys, thanks for watching. And again, that was another amazing adventure with the team. Yes. Yeah. Quasey, Cocal. Pick up. Yeah. Yeah, man. You see this? Oh my God. I witnessed the biggest barracuda. All right, people. And this is a wrap. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah.